In this video, we are going to show you how to replace the door seal. With a pick, we're going to remove the original door seal. Slightly and gently slide the pick between the door and the seal. Try to get a little lip on it so we can hold it by our fingers. The seal is elastic, so we can actually stretch it out and gently remove it without scratching the door. With the new seal in hand, we'll need to wipe it with IPA. Then we'll also need to wipe down the door. Start by inserting the door seal from the bottom, working our way up the side, and stretch it out till it falls in place. Also need to make sure that the seal is not inserted sideways, just like in this picture right here. This is the correct way, and this is the incorrect way. If this happens, we just need to lift the seal out and then push it back in. Also have one over here. We'll lift it and drop it back in place. Once the seal is installed, we'll go to Operations, I/O Monitor, and then we'll need to locate output bit number 15, which will be Retract RSP Door Seal. We'll press on force and inflate the seal a couple times, and it will fall back in its place correctly. It may produce a poppy noise. It's a little bit frightening, but it is not a big deal. Feel like after a couple times the seal took its place and it's not popping anymore. After we're done, we'll press on force and we're good to go.